Good evening, folks, and welcome to the TradeXchange market wrap-up for the 11th of August 2016. We are the TradeXchange. We are built for traders by traders. Let's dive into the numbers for the day. Clearly a positive day all around for the Dow Jones, S&P 500, and the NASDAQ. We'll get into those in just a moment. You see the SPY, SPY on your right-hand side of the charts, really spending the day in positive territory for the day. The Dow Jones finished higher by 117.86 at 18,613. New high of the day. Same with the S&P 500, 2185.79. Then the NASDAQ 522.840. And again, continued strength in all three major indices. We did have also strength in the FTSE at 6914.71. West Texas Intermediate crude. We'll show you that chart in just a moment here. Right from the get-go at the open, we did see continued strength in oil. We did hear commentary early in the morning from a Saudi Arabian oil minister, and that propelled that move to the upside. And again, that's West Texas Intermediate crude. Conversely, we did see some weakness in the metals. Gold finished lower by a bit over 0.5% at 1343.50. Silver finishing below that 20 handle at $19.97, down just about a percent. And we did see, if you see on your right hand side over here, kind of a little bit of a move stronger to the downside in the 3 o'clock hour Eastern time in the metals. That was kind of an interesting into the close move there. The 10-year yield hovering around that 1.5 level at 1.573. The dollar index, a little bit of strength today at 95.870. For your economic activity, tomorrow we'll begin with 8:30 PPI and retail sales. 10 a.m. we'll have the consumer sentiment and business inventories, and at 1 p.m. we'll have the Baker Hughes rig count. We are still in earnings season, so some of your pre-market highlighted earnings for tomorrow, including BAM and JCP. So we want to get into some of the option activity and more highlighted activity from the TradeXchange. And remember, folks, the trick here is to get this information in real time. We do provide actionable information, high priority information to our subscribers on a daily basis. So let's begin with BYD. This at 10:43 in the morning. We did see August 20 call activity on the offer. This is the August expiring August 19. And right around that, right here, actually, folks, you see, as you're seeing that option go through, you see the volume tick up. You see positive price action. Again, this is BYD, and we'll show you in just a moment why it's important, specifically from Zozo Level Watch Alert on BYD. Typically, the option activity that we highlight is also highlighted by the Nigerians during halftime on CNBC. That's exactly what happened here. So at 2:44, you see right here on your left-hand side, BYD, this from Zozo Level Watch Alert, an alert over $19.76. Again, we'll pull up BYD right over here. You see that on the right-hand side of your page. The white line is the 1975 at the 12:44, and again, it was believed to be that they would mention BYD on halftime, and they did. And what you see here is volume ticking up right into the 1 o'clock hour, and you actually see a continuation of price action after that 1 o'clock into the 20s there, the 20 handle. So again, very interesting trade there. So a nice combination of options delivered for you by our analyst desk, and also Zozo Level Watch Alert on BYD. Also wanted to highlight a few more in level watch list from Zozo during the day. So we looked at BYD. We'll take a look at MRO. Right here, this is a 5-minute chart, folks. At 9:39 MRO, over $14.15. So you see that right here. That's the white line, and what you see here is volume coming in, and right over that level, and continuation of price action in MRO. We'll also take a look at JACK. Very similar in terms of, you want to see volume, you want to see price action in the names as they're being called out by Zozo Level Watch Alert throughout the day. And this is the white line, obviously, at $98.85 for a possible $99 break. And that's what you saw there. So, folks, the theme here is getting this information in real time. And that's what separates us from other services, and that is we provide high priority, high impact information, actionable information, real-time information that our subscribers use on a daily basis. We'll go into some other company filings in LGF in after hours from yesterday coming into today. We did have director purchasing 50,000 shares at $21.70. NFLX 300,000 shares at $94.31. We did have some, just want to highlight some syndicates in AMRN and CLF. Also in merger and risk ARB, we did have MNTA highlighted this morning by Merger Brief in the Morning, one of our contributors. If you do not get merger and risk arbitrage through the morning mashup, we highly recommend that you do so. We'll show you that in just a moment. So what you do is you go to our home page here. You'll click on mashup, and it'll get you to the mashup page. Enter your name, email, phone number, and you will get a mashup that resembles something like this. This was this morning's mashup delivered to our subscribers within the forum. And you see all this information, all the information that you need to get this day started and be informed, folks. Also on EGN, Early Global News, great way to stay informed as well. Great overnight, early morning headlines from Early Global News, and this is what it looked like in the morning. Really great piece of work here, and a lot of value, and traders use this on a daily basis, folks. So if you have any questions, certainly feel free to reach out to us. We are available by phone, we are available by email, by Twitter. You can DM us for any questions. Email us at TradeXchange@TradeXchange.com or 203-939-1250. Folks, thanks for checking in. If you're not a subscriber, great way to do that. Great deal, $39.95. Wanted to thank you for checking in with the Trade Exchange wrap up. Wishing you a very pleasant evening. See you in the morning.